Hello and welcome. Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how I've made 200,000 in just 11 weeks. I'm Ed Kerwin and I expect you're wondering, 200,000 what, Ed? Well, it's not dollars, I can tell you that straight away. It's Swifts. Okay, what are Swifts? Well, Swifts are a digital currency, and it is soon to become a cryptocurrency. So at the moment, while it has no intrinsic value in dollar cents or euro cents or any other currency you care to mention, it will be tradable in the near future. However, and here's the good news, it is tradable with other people who have got Swift. That's right. You can trade products with other people. You can buy and sell products or services using Swift, and people are doing it. There's a gentleman in Japan who sells beer with Swift, believe it or not. So how do you get your hands on SwiftDemand? What is SwiftDemand? And how can you increase your earnings to earn 200,000 in just such a short time as I have been able to do? Well, that's all going to be revealed in this video now. You see, SwiftDemand is an attempt at basic income. At least that's what it says on the SwiftDemand frequently asked questions page. And Christopher Gregorio is the founder of SwiftDemand, and it will become a cryptocurrency during this year. Now, universal basic income, let's talk a little bit about that. This is a subject that's being talked about worldwide and being endorsed by the likes of Richard Branson and Mark Zuckerberg and many others, being tried in countries across the world, from Finland to California to Alaska to Australia and many places in between. So universal basic income is what SwiftDemand is all about. And right at the moment, if you get in now, you can receive 100 free Swifts every day. And you can spend those with other people that have got Swifts. And you can buy products or sell products and earn more Swifts per day than the 100 that SwiftDemand will give you. So all you need to do is open up a free account. Just fill in the form there, your first name, last name, a username, email and password, and you need to click this I'm not a robot, and you would sign up. Alright, if you want to know more before you sign up, visit the frequently asked questions. You can come here to read the white paper, where it gives you much more detail than I'm going to be able to give you in this video. What I'm going to show you in this video is how you can get 10 times or more Swifts every day. But basically, SwiftDemand is an attempt at basic income, where each user who signs up for the service receives 100 Swifts a day, and no additional Swifts can be created with time or resources. No user can gain any other advantage when it comes to acquiring Swifts. Now, what does that refer to? If you're familiar at all with cryptocurrencies, this is not yet a cryptocurrency, it's a digital currency. Essentially, that means these are tokens. As I said earlier, you can exchange products with other people who've got Swifts if you're to buy or sell, but you can't acquire them through mining that you can with, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoins, which are fully blown cryptocurrencies. So how else can you get Swifts other than what you're being given? And as you can see there, it says additional Swifts can temporarily be generated through referrals at the rate of 500 Swifts per referral. And after 5 million users have been reached, these bonuses will disappear and income generation will be the sole source of new Swifts. At the moment, you can't as it says here, you can't withdraw Swifts to an external wallet because the blockchain is in progress. It's projected to be available in the middle of this year, in 2018. So Swifts can't be removed from SwiftDemand at the moment. But once the blockchain has been completed, withdrawals to external wallets will be possible. That means that it will have a value, and you'll be able to cash in on your Swifts. You'll be able to trade them, or of course you can keep them, and if they go up in value, as Bitcoin did when it first started at nothing, and now it's currently worth around $10,000 per coin. We don't know where Swifts are going, but if you get in, it's for free, and you don't have to do anything at all except just have an account and claim your Swifts at least once a week. You can claim them daily or once a week. And when Swifts do become a cryptocurrency, they will be converted as a ratio of 1-to-1 automatically. You don't have to worry about anything else. So you can come here and read these, read the other instructions here. It's got everything you need to know here. And as I said earlier, if you want far more detail, go and read the white paper there. So once you've signed up, you would log in, and as you can see here, I've got a Swift balance approaching 66,000 Swifts. This is how you claim your Swifts every day, or well, you get 100 per day. I didn't claim them yesterday, so there's 200 to claim today. I can just claim those like that. And now it's gone up to 66,000. But as you can see here, I'm getting more Swifts every day. I got close to 1,500 yesterday, or today I should say, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales and more. This is the income that I've just claimed. There's 200. And the other day I claimed 500 because I'd left it a few days. So as long as you don't let it go more than 7 days, you can only accumulate 700. You won't, if you leave it 8 days, you'll still only get 700. And the way that to get to 10 times your income is to sell products. So if I come in here to the store, okay, you can see that people here have products for sale. This person is offering to draw digital portraits for 15,000 Swifts. Somebody's offering 7 coffee tips and they have a rating of 4.8 for 1,500. Somebody else is selling things for 100 proxy emails. This person's got a 5-star rating. If we go and have a look at that, for instance, they've got a product here where you can send and receive emails anonymously via proxy emails, and you can just buy those, and that would be deducted from your balance. Okay, so there are several different, all kinds of different products in here, and if you don't know how to make a product, I will show you how to do that through one of my own products, and that is where I'm accumulating these sales. You see, when I come to my sales page, you can see here on the right hand side, very, very handsome 500 Swifts each time I make a sale. Okay, so if you're excited by this and would like some basic income of your own, that it will soon become a cryptocurrency, but at the moment you can get in here for absolutely nothing. Get 100 a day, and I will show you through my one of my books here, one of my reports, how you can multiply your income. I've accumulated this since the beginning of January, So what's that, 2 months, which is much more than 100 a day. You can 10 times your income or more if you do your own products, and I will show you exactly how to do that once you sign in and get loaded up. Okay, all you need to do is to go into the store and look for this book, How to Make More Swift Without Referrals, and that will show you exactly how to do that. And you can I'll give you all the information you need, and if you need any more help, you've got my contact information, so you can get in touch with me. Okay, it's Ed Kerwin saying bye now. I hope to see you in SwiftDemand, so you can also be making a basic income for nothing. Thank you very much for watching right to the end, and if you enjoyed this video and you know anybody else that would like to earn a universal basic income and get started on this exciting program, please feel free to share this video. I'd appreciate your comments below. If you've got any comments or questions, I'd be happy to answer them. And give me a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you like, to keep updated on what we're doing here. Thank you again. It's Ed Kerwin saying bye for now, and I'll see you in another video.